Would you like to know how to build an e-commerce website with no coding skill? Are you a business owner looking to expand your business by creating an online store? If, then you are at the right place. Hi, my name is Tanzila Rahman and I am a top Udemy instructor with over tens of thousands of students, and I've been building websites from over 8 years. So in this course, I'm going to teach you exactly how can you build 3 professional WordPress e-commerce website with no coding. So the first website that we're going to create would look like this. So the user can filter his products and he will see the products related to the price. He can choose the option which are in products, and then he can click add to cart. His product will be added to the cart. He can update quantities and update cart. His shipping rates will be updated. He can click proceed to checkout and then enter his payment information, which can be like name, address, city, and phone number and email address. Then he can select the payment method, which can be PayPal or direct bank transfer. Then he can click place order and his order will be placed. Then he can view his order by going to my account on top and orders and view the order which he has done recently. So the second website that we're gonna create in this course gonna look like this. So here we have our logo, then we have our login and register link. We have our card, and then we have our wish list. So if a person likes this Del Esperon, he can just select options and he will be taken to this page. He can just choose the option which will be 1 TB, which is on sale, and then he will click add to cart. So the final project that we're gonna build with our own skill and our own thinking, and that would be fully customizable, gonna look like this. So you can see that we have our logo, and then we have our header right here. We have our shop button that's going to take us to our online shop. And you can see that this is the animation that we have right here, and we're going to create this ourselves. We go down and there you can see that we have a list of best-selling products, and then we have our animated get our signature t-shirt call to action button. We go down, we have our on sale products with our counter, and we're gonna create this ourselves. And then we go down and we have our testimonials. So then we have our free services. So if you are interested in building e-commerce websites, then just hit take this course button, which will be the #1 step in building a website like that. After your purchase has been made, you will be given lifetime access to this course with no limits. Plus, you will also get the lifetime activated certificate, the 24/7 support, and a free domain and web hosting, so you don't have to buy anything for getting it started. I am 100% sure that you will love this course. If by any chance you didn't like this course, then you can always get your money back within 30 days of your initial purchase. So what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and hit take this course